Hej Benjamin, jeg sidder sådan bare og hopper rundt imellem mine gamle spil på Steam, og har egentlig bare besluttet mig for at spille en Teams Portal. Jeg skal kirke senere på dagen, så jeg ved ikke, jeg kommer ikke til at spille det her hele dagen. Det er bare lige en time. Jeg fik simpelthen lyst til at spille Portal 2 igen. Og jeg skal ikke kunne sige, om jeg overhovedet uploader det her, om jeg overhovedet kommer til at sidde og snakke en masse. Jeg har i hvert fald bare tænkt mig at sidde og spille spillet og prøve at optage det, og så kan det være, at jeg selv ser det. Hvis jeg synes, at det er interessant nok, så kan det godt være, at jeg vælger at sige, det kunne jeg da godt finde på at uploade det her. Nu ved jeg ikke, om jeg valgte det forkerte. Det kan godt være, at jeg ikke har lyst til den her fortsæt spil. Nu ser vi lige, hvad den uploader os ind i. Nej, det har jeg faktisk ikke lyst til, det her. Afslut til hovedmenu. Det starter allerede godt, hva'? Ja, det er dejligt. Jeg har lyst til at spille et helt nyt spil. Helt fra starten af. Det er bare lige det, jeg har lyst til at gøre. Og jeg føler mig ikke forpligtet på at skulle sige noget. Så igen, det kan være, at den her video slet ikke bliver uploadet. Og det er helt i orden. Fordi det her, det er bare søndag. Jeg sidder bare og slapper af. Jeg skal ikke lave noget i dag. Jeg skriver ikke i dag. Jeg arbejder ikke så meget. Skru lige lidt op.
Compliance with state and federal regulations, all testing candidates in the Aperture Science Extended Relaxation Center must be revived periodically for a mandatory physical and mental wellness exercise. You will hear a buzzer. When you hear the buzzer, look up at the ceiling. Good. You will hear a buzzer. When you hear the buzzer, look down at the floor. Good. This completes the gymnastic portion of your mandatory physical and mental wellness exercise. There is a framed painting on the wall. Please go stand in front of it. This is art. You will hear a buzzer. When you hear the buzzer, stare at the art. You should now feel mentally reinvigorated. If you suspect staring at art has not provided the required intellectual sustenance, reflect briefly on this classical music. Good. Now please return to your bed.
Læg mærke til, at det her billede, der hænger her, det kommer til at ændre sig. Hvordan gør det dog det? Og sov. Mit ansigt lyser op i det her.
Good morning. You have been in suspension for 9.
Hello? Anyone in there? Hello? Are you gonna open the door?
Nu er der en ulv der.
Hello?
Nu er der nat på billedet.
Are you gonna open this door? Because it's oh god, you look
Wheatley. Han må være en af mine yndlingscharacters. Hvis jeg kunne få fat i sådan en ting som ham, jeg kunne få til at hænge ned fra loftet, så ville jeg gøre det.
Stay calm, prepare. That's all I'm saying, prepare. It's all fine, alright? Don't move, I'm gonna get us out of here. Oh, you might want to hang on to something. Word of advice, up to you.
Der er bare et aftryk af, man har lagt i den der seng konstant.
You alright down there? Can you hear me?
Yeah!
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you!
Most test subjects do experience some cognitive deterioration after a few months in suspension.
Okay.
Now, you've been under for quite a lot longer, and it's not out of the question that you might have a very minor case of serious brain damage. Don't be alarmed, all right? Although if you do feel alarmed, try to hold on to that feeling, because that is the proper reaction to being told that you've got brain damage.
Yeah.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Does any of this make any sense? Just tell me. Just say yes.
Candy!
Okay, what you're doing there is jumping. You just jumped. But never mind. Say apple. Apple.
Apple.
Okay, you know what? That's close enough. Just hold tight.
All reactor core safeguards are now non-functional. Please prepare for reactor core meltdown.
Reactor core, hvad snakker den om? Wow.
Okay, look, I wasn't going to mention this to you, but I'm in pretty hot water here.
Whoa.
How you doing down there? You still holding on? The reserve power ran out, so of course the whole relaxation center stops waking up the bloody test subjects. Hold on, this is a bit tricky. And of course, nobody tells me anything. No, why should you tell me anything? Why should I be kept informed? You know, about the life functions of the 10,000 bloody test subjects I'm supposed to be in charge of. Why? It's close. Can you see?
Whoa.
Am I gonna make it through?
Det er crazy.
Just gotta get through here.
Wow.
Concentrate. And whose fault do you think it's gonna be when the management comes down here and finds 10,000 flipping vegetables?
De har haft 10.000 test subjects. Aperture Science, de må være meget mægtige. Hvad sker der for det?
Okay, listen. We should get our story straight, alright? Everyone asks, and no one's gonna ask. Don't worry.
No one.
Asks.
No one asks.
As far as you know, the last time you checked, everyone looked pretty much alive.
Yeah.
Alright?
Very alive.
Okay, almost there. On the other
der er
side
bare
of that
overgroet.
wall is one of the old testing tracks.
Ja.
There's a piece of equipment in there that we're gonna need to get out of here.
Okay.
I think this is a docking station. Get ready.
Is this a docking station? Whoa. Get back.
Good news, that is not a docking station. So there's one mystery solved. I'm gonna attempt a manual override.
Hvis jeg var en computer, så ville jeg være virkelig meget ligesom Wheatley.
Hold on.
Jeg ville være frygtelig meget ligesom ham.
Almost there. Remember, you're looking for a gun that makes holes.
Okay.
Not bullet holes, but don't worry, you'll figure it out. Seriously, do hold on this time.
Whoa. Okay, gun that makes holes. I can get that.
There we go. Now, I'll be honest, you are probably in no fit state to run this particular type of cognitive gauntlet. But at least you're a good jumper. So you got the jumping on your side.
Thank you, Wheatley.
Just do your best, and I'll meet you up ahead.
Fedt.
That's the spirit.
Hvor længe kan jeg egentlig blive ved med at hoppe omkring ham? Okay, ikke særlig længe. Hej Wheatley, min yndlingsfigur i det her spil. Farvel. Okay, videre. Og glasset der, det går i stykker, så snart jeg træder på det. Whee!
Hello, and again, welcome to the Aperture Science Enrichment Center. We are currently experiencing technical difficulties due to circumstances of potentially apocalyptic significance beyond our control. However, thanks to emergency testing protocols,
Det er så
testing can continue.
Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy-agtigt det her.
Instructional and motivational support, so that science can still be done, even in the event of environmental, social, economic, or structural collapse. The portal will open, and emergency testing will begin.
Yes.
In 3, 2,
1. Så er der Portal. Jeg tror faktisk det er det samme, næsten fuldstændig det samme rum, som der er i Portal 1-spillet. Nu er det bare overgroet. Det er rimelig sejt.
Cube and button-based testing remains an important tool for science, even in a dire emergency. If cube and button-based testing caused this emergency, don't worry. The odds of this happening twice are very slim.
Man kan godt vide, hvem det er, der har programmeret deres speaker-robotter, hvis de har sådan nogle. De virker ret intelligente i hvert fald. Og crazy. Aperture Laboratories eller Capture Laboratories. Ja.
If you feel liquid running down your neck, relax, lie on your back, and apply immediate pressure to your temples. You are simply experiencing a rare reaction in which the material emancipation drill may have emancipated the ear tubes inside your head.
Got it. Nå, så skal jeg trykke på den anden knap. Okay. Got it. Ja, den er fin. Og så er det tredje rum. Jeg kan desværre ikke skyde de der portal kameraer ned. Det kunne man have fået nogle achievements i etteren, kan jeg huske. Jeg har spillet det her før, det er derfor det går lidt hurtigt. Og så er det også bare de første levels. Så bliver der loadet en ny bane. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Jeg skal øve mig i sådan at kigge ind i kameraet, sådan at det bliver mere personligt for dig at se på. Yeah! I did!
Should be a portal device on that podium over there.
Really?
can't see it.
Oh no! I forgot about this part! Oh. Oh, dude.
See the portal gun?
No, I can't see any. It's just water, Wheatley.
Are you alive?
Yes, I'm alive.
Or should have asked that first.
Yeah, thanks for asking.
Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to work on the assumption that you're still alive, and I'm just going to wait for you up ahead.
Okay, cool.
I'll wait.
Whoa.
Then I'll come back. And
Whoa.
assuming I can locate your dead body.
Whoa.
Alright, brilliant.
Whoa, cake. The cake is a lie. Whoa. Wow. Prøv lige at se det her sted, det er så vildt. Og der er et stykke portal gun deroppe, den skal jeg lige have fat i. Den virker lidt usikker. Rør ved den! Whee! Sådan, nu kan jeg selv placere portals. Det er så fedt et koncept, det her spil. Så simpelt og så fedt. I love it. I love it, det er for stærkt. I like it, det er godt nok. Wow, I can go back. It's a picture of me, probably. Det jeg gerne vil vide, det er, hvem der slæbte hende tilbage ind i Aperture Science, efter at hun besejrede den der robot, GLaDOS.
Rest assured that all lethal military androids have been taught to read and provided with one copy of the laws of robotics to share.
To share. Nå, så skal jeg gå igennem den orange igen, selvfølgelig. Sådan der.
If you feel that a lethal military android has not respected your rights as detailed in the laws of robotics, please note it on your self-reporting form. A future Aperture Science Entitlement Associate will initiate the appropriate grievance filing paperwork.
Oh no. Oh no. This is so dangerous. Very dangerous. But it's okay. Fordi Wheatley har noget med mig. Indtil han går crap insane på mig. Og forråder mig. That bastard.
This next test is very dangerous. To help you remain tranquil in the face of almost certain death, smooth jazz will be deployed in 3, 2, 1.
Det er meget sødt af dem. Tihi! Og en af dem, hvor er den næste så henne? Whoop!
Great work.
Been there, done that.
This message is pre-recorded. Any observations related to your performance are speculation on our part. Please disregard any undeserved compliments.
Wow, jeg var lige ved... Nej, den gik faktisk lidt stykker. Hold op. Man kan gå herop. Unreason. www. Unreason. Nå, det er Schrödingers kat, der hopper ud af en boks, er det ikke det? Det er det nok. Altså, en kat i en boks, det er altid Schrödingers kat, er det ikke det? Whoa, I can carry this thing. I'm gonna bring it with me. I'm gonna bring it with me. I'm gonna protect it. I'm gonna protect it. No! Jeg vidste godt, det ville ske. Inderst inden vidste jeg godt, det ville ske. Remember your evacuation training. Løbe. Og så er der en der i midten, der ligesom er lidt for entusiastisk og løber virkelig meget til. Hvad sker der for det? Nå, whatever. Down we go. Whee! Det går jo meget godt, det her. 46 minutter igen. Muhaha. Muhaha.
If the Enrichment Center is currently being bombarded with fireballs, meteorites, or other objects from space, please avoid unsheltered testing areas wherever a lack of shelter from space debris does not appear to be a deliberate part of the test.
Okay, den er mere tricky. Jeg skal lige orientere mig i, hvad der skal ske herinde. Trykker på den der, så får jeg en portal gun derover. Okay, hvis jeg skyder på den nedenunder, så får jeg en boks her. Den tager jeg, stiller den på pladen. Så løfter den det der op. Okay, cool. Bum. Jeg skal bruge endnu en portal. Tingest. Okay, det her det er sådan en af dem, hvor man skal lære noget om katapultagtighed. Okay, så falder der en ned igennem der. Og så skal jeg sørge for at rejse den der, sådan at den beskytter. Okay, I got it. Sådan der. Så kan vi fat i endnu en. Det er meget rart, at jeg ikke selv behøver at bære de her ting der. Det kan min portal gun bare gøre.
Well done.
Endnu en årsag til at få en portal gun.
That although circumstances may appear bleak, you are not alone. All Aperture Science personality constructs will remain functional in apocalyptic, low-power environments of as few as 1.1 volts.
Og det er ret imponerende, er det ikke det? Jeg er ikke fysiker, men det lyder faktisk ret imponerende. That sounds pretty darn good. Pretty good. A darn good, egentlig noget, der er forkert at sige. I wouldn't know. I don't know. I'm just being silly. Playing one of my favorite games.
Momentum to movement through portals. If the laws of physics no longer apply in the future, God help you.
Ja, det vil være skidt. Okay, vi skal derop, skyde ned. Bum bum bum. Hvor er den orange portal hen? Nå, jeg skal bruge den her for at komme derop, sikkert. Ui, sådan der. Så skal den der også kastes derned, så vidt jeg ved. Wow. Så fløj den lige hele vejen derover. Yahoo! Sjovt, fordi de har jo allerede brugt en test på at lære mig om det der med kraft og fart og så videre. Wow. Okay, fint nok. Jeg skal flyve derover for at hente en portal. Tænkest, ikke en portal, en cube. Wee boink. Hvor skal vi så hen med den? Bum bum bum. Vi skal helt derover. Hvordan kommer vi derover? Det gør vi bedst ved at bruge deroppe. Lad os håbe, der er nok kraft i det. Der var nok kraft. Ui! Jeg var jo åbenbart nogenlunde det samme som en... min skulder. Godt, man ikke mister liv af at flyve ind i væg eller sådan noget i den stil. Det ville være træls. Okay, så kan jeg komme derop. Og det gør jeg så ved at få mere momentum. Nu skal jeg have mere kraft for at kunne klare den der. Kan jeg hoppe hele vejen henover? Ellers så må jeg jo bare lige starte med at hoppe ned her. Nå, så fløj jeg for langt. Okay, cool. Nå, jeg skal bruge den der, selvfølgelig. Wii, boink. Au. Men det er sådan, det skal gøres. Sådan der, nu har vi momentum nok. Wii. Og så ramte jeg ved siden af. Ej, hvor dumt. Nå, that happens, that happens. Så var det derovre. Det tog lidt længere tid lige at løse det her testkammer. Men altså, det er jo også legit, kan man sige. Det skal der også være plads til. Whee! Sådan der.
Good work getting this far, future starter.
Thank you.
That said, if you are simple-minded, bold, or irradiated in such a way that the future should not start with you, please return to your primitive tribe and send back someone better qualified for testing.
No. No. I'm gonna keep doing this. I'm gonna test this thing. I'm gonna test it all day, man.
To ensure that sufficient power remains for core testing protocols, all safety devices have been disabled. The Enrichment Center respects your right to have questions or concerns about this policy.
Hey! Aye!
Wait, Wheatley!
There!
There you are!
Brilliant! You did find a portal gun!
Yeah!
Oh, do you know what? It just goes to show, people with brain damage are the real heroes.
Thank you!
At the end of the day. Brave. Okay, listen, let me lay something on you here. It's pretty heavy.
Okay.
They told me never, ever to disengage myself
Yeah.
from my management rail or I would die.
Whoa.
We're out of options here.
Yeah.
So get ready to catch me.
Okay.
Alright, on the off chance
Yeah.
that I'm not dead,
Yeah.
the moment I pop off this thing.
Yeah.
On 3. Ready?
Okay.
1,
Yeah.
2,
Yeah.
3! That's
Oh,
right. It's
yeah.
too high.
It's too high.
That.
Yeah.
Alright, going on 3 just gives you too much time to think about it.
Yeah.
Let's go on 1 this time.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Ja.
1. Catch me!
I
am not dead. I'm not dead.
Hey!
I can't move though. That's the problem now.
Yeah.
Are you still there? Could you pick me up, do you think?
Ja?
If you are there? Oh, brilliant. Thank you. Great. Plug me into that stick on the wall over there, yeah? And I'll show you something. You'll be
Stick?
impressed by this.
Oh. Så var der bare lige pludselig en stick on the wall.
Yeah, I can't do it if you're watching.
Okay.
Seriously, I'm not joking. Can you just turn around for a second?
Ja, okay.
Alright, you can turn around now. Bam! Secret panel. That I opened while your back was turned. Take your
Wow.
hand off we go. Look at this! No rail to tell us where to go. We can go wherever we want.
Yeah.
Hold on, though. Where are we going? Seriously. Hang on, let me just get my bearings. Just follow the rail, actually.
Ja. Det er sjovt.
Oh, no. Yes, hello. No, we're not stopping. Don't make eye contact, whatever you do. No, thanks. We're good. Appreciate it. Keep moving, keep moving.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm different.
I'm different too. Bye. Wow. Godt gået, Wheatley. Nå, det var det. Det var det spil. Fedt. Det var sjovt. Rigtig sjovt. Lige udviklet et godt koncept og lært mig, hvordan man flyver med en portal gun, og så er det bare glemt det.
Probably ought to bring you up to speed on something right now. In order to escape, we're going to have to go through her chamber.
Her chamber?
And she will probably kill us.
Oh
if
shit.
She's awake.
Ja, det her portal 1, sidste bossen, den er.
Okay, I'm going to lay my cards on the table. I don't want to do it. I don't want to go in there. Don't go in there. She's off. She's off. Don't panic over. She's off. All fine. On we go.
Hun er slukket.
There she is. What a nasty piece of work she was, honestly.
Oh.
Proper maniac.
GLaDOS.
Do you end up taking her down in the end? You're not going to believe this. A human. I know. I wouldn't have believed either. Apparently this human escaped and nobody's seen him since. Then there was a sort of long chunk of time where absolutely nothing happened. And then there's us escaping now. So that's pretty much the whole story. You're up to speed. Don't touch him.
Vi skulle åbenbart dernede.
Actually, look at it. That's quite a distance, isn't it?
Ja.
Okay, you know what? Go ahead and jump. You've got braces on your legs, so you're all set.
Okay.
Although no braces on your arms, though. So you're going to have to rely on the old human strength to keep a grip on the device and, by extension, me. So do really make sure you keep a grip on me.
Okay.
Also, still being held. That's a great job. You've applied the grip. We're all fine.
Tak, Wheatley. Tak.
Tremendous.
Hvor er vi på vej hen, Wheatley? Hvad skal vi hernede?
I just looked down. I do not.
Der er landet. Jeg skal heller kigge ned.
I just done it again. This is the main breaker room.
Nice.
Let's go in. Look for a switch that says escape pod. All right, don't touch anything else. Not interested in anything else. Don't touch anything else. Don't even look at anything else.
Nej, de lukkede bag os.
You've got to look at everything else to find the escape pod. But as soon as you look at something and it doesn't say escape pod, look at something else. Look at the next thing. All right, but don't touch anything else or look at anything. Well, look.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Can you see it anywhere?
Nej.
I can't see it anywhere.
Okay, good.
Tell you what, plug me in and I'll turn the lights on.
Okay. And in.
Let there be light. That's God. He's quoting God.
Ja.
Oh, look at that. Turning. Ominous. But probably fine, as long as it doesn't start, moving up. Now. Escape pod. It's moving up. Okay.
Vi slår en masse håndtag til. Wheatley, hvad gør vi?
Makes it go fast.
Hvad er det her? Nej. Hvad har du?
Power up initiated.
Okay, don't panic.
Jeg kan ikke se væk.
Stop panicking.
Vække.
Still stop this.
Wheatley! Wheatley!
It's fine. I'll just...
Hvad har du gjort? Nej! Nej. Wheatley? Ja, C. Hvad med B? Hvad med... No.
Oh, it's you.
You know her?
It's been a long time. How have you been?
I'm fine.
Really busy being dead
You can't be.
after you murdered me.
I'm getting grabbed. No, Wheatley. No.
Okay, look, we both said a lot of things
Han er stadig i live.
we regret. But I think we can put our differences behind us. For science, you monster.
No.
I'd say though that since you went to all the trouble of waking me up,
No.
you must really
Det er en incinerator. Det var en incinerator i etteren. Jeg vil ikke brænde.
too. There's just
No.
one thing to take care of first.
Why? Det er okay. Man overlever. Det skal nok gå. Jeg tror, jeg opfører mig for hysterisk til, at jeg måske næsten har lyst til at uploade den her. Men det kan da godt være meget underholdende. Håber jeg. Down we go. Whoa! Close one.
Here we are, the incinerator room. Be careful not to trip over any parts of me that didn't get completely burned when you threw them down here.
Okay, jeg tror faktisk godt, man kan falde ned og dø her, så det skal vi ikke lige gøre.
Once you find it, we can start testing, just like old times.
Det er den anden del af portal gunnen, tror jeg. So predictable. It's over there.
Hold on.
Whoa, you're helping me, Gladys. That's so sweet of you.
Here. Good. You have the dual portal device. There should be a way back to the testing area up ahead.
So you want me to keep testing?
I'm required by protocol to keep interaction with you to a minimum. Luckily, we haven't started testing yet. This will be our only chance to talk.
Okay.
You know the biggest lesson I learned from what you did? I discovered I have a sort of black box quick save feature.
Okay.
In the event of a catastrophic failure, the last 2 minutes of my life were preserved for analysis.
Okay.
I was able, well, forced really, to relive you killing me again and again, forever. You know, if you'd done that to somebody else, they might devote their existence to exacting revenge.
Oh.
Luckily, I'm a bigger person than that.
I'm glad.
I'm happy to put this all behind us and get back to work.
Cool.
After all, we've got a lot to do.
Yeah.
And only 60 more years to do it. More or less. I
Whoa.
don't have the actuarial tables in front of me.
Am I dead in 60 years?
I'll just move that out.
Det bliver måske lidt længere end en time, det her bag min.
This really is a wreck.
Wow.
But the important thing is you're back.
Alle de
with
paneler.
me. And now I'm on to all your little tricks. So there's nothing to stop us from testing for the rest of your life.
Okay.
After that, who knows? I might take up a hobby. Reanimating the dead, maybe.
Du er sjov. Du er sjov. Du er sjov, Gladys. Give her some sort of reward. Down we went. Kold starten.
The mess. I've really let the place go since you killed me. By the way, thanks for that.
Du kan ikke gøre for det.
Test complete.
Oh, there was
let's
sarcasm.
back online.
Oh.
I'll start getting everything else working while you perform this first simple test, which involves deadly lasers and how test subjects react when locked in a room with deadly lasers.
Oh. Deadly lasers. Funny. Funny you should mention it. Ha 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 ha. Kan man bruge den der til noget? Hvorfor skulle man kunne gøre det? Okay.
Not bad. I forgot how
Tak.
good you are at this. You should pace yourself, though. We have a lot of tests to do.
Wow, lasers. Så nu har de introduceret lasermekanismen i spillet. Det er jo vældig fint. Det er jo vældig fint. Portal er jo vældig fint.
This next test involves discouragement redirection cubes. I just finished building them before you had your, well, episode. So now we'll both get to see how they work. There should be one in the corner.
What corner? Oh, that corner. Hey, Wheatley! Wheatley var der lige. Jeg så ham. Wheatley er der. Vi har en chance. Vi kan blive reddet. Hvor skal jeg dog... Au. Hvor skal jeg dog pege den her? Derovre. Okay, det rejser en trappe, og så kan jeg komme ud herfra. Men jeg har brug for en cube først. Okay, hvor skaffer vi en cube? Nå, vi kan bare bruge den samme fra før. Okay. Whoopty. Whoop.
Well done. Here come the test results. You are a horrible person. That's what it says. A horrible person. We weren't even testing for that.
Well, that makes you a horrible computer. Because you were killed by a horrible person. Because logic and reason and stuff.
Don't let that horrible person thing discourage you.
Okay.
It's just a data point.
Yeah.
If it makes you feel any better, science has now validated your birth mother's decision to abandon you on a doorstep.
That's not funny. That's not funny. My mother would never do that. You're lying to me. Wow, hvad foregår der herinde? Too many variables. Sucker's luck. Wow, en eller anden mindblown character. Exile. Wow. Det her sted tror jeg ikke, jeg har set før. Vilify. Don't even try. Feels like a trivial. Hvad er det for nogle? Det er små portal guns, eller hvad er det? Den sang kender jeg. Det er en egentlig sang. Gotta solve this room. Exile synger han. Okay, fint nok. Så det er bare den tekst, han har skrevet inde på væggen. Hvem end det er, jeg er ved at følge efter. Okay, jeg kan hoppe frem og tilbage. Nej, det kan jeg ikke. Hvor er den? Der er den. Hvad er det, jeg har brug for nu? Okay, der er den der. Den skal også åbnes. Og der er endnu en laser, vi skal bruge. For at kunne gøre det. Okay, så skal vi have lagt en portal der og der. Okay, fint. Jeg forstår. Vi har brug for, at der er en portal. Men hvordan får vi fat i den laser? Og bragt den der til? Jeg bruger den der. Og så bruger vi den der.
Congratulations. Not on the test. Most people emerge from suspension terribly undernourished. I want to congratulate you on beating the odds and somehow managing to pack on a few pounds.
Jeg tror, den stoppede. Eller skiftede den bare lyd? Weird. Ej, hvor er det vildt, jeg ikke kan huske, at jeg har været... nu dummede jeg mig. Dum, Jan Chris. Skal du bare placere sådan en blå ind der. Vi kan lige så godt rykke videre, tror jeg bare. Jeg bliver ved med at dumme mig. Dobbelt dumme mig. Sådan der. Nu kan vi forlade stedet. Foregår der noget her bagved? Åbenbart ikke. Det er sjovt med de der secret chambers. Let's go. Det tog lidt tid at komme igennem det rum. Det er meget sjovt, at man lige ser Wheatley der dukke frem en gang imellem. Det kan jeg godt lide. Så er der håb.
One moment.
Okay. I got one moment.
You're navigating these test chambers faster than I can build them.
Tak.
So feel free to slow down and do whatever it is you do when you're not destroying this facility.
You're so nasty, girl. So mad at me. Why are you never nice to me? Okay. Nej, det sætter den derovre i bevægelse. Men jeg skal sørge for at være derovre. Okay, fint nok. I can do that. Jeg sætter bare en blå portal. Nu. Sådan der. Og så skal jeg sørge for at trykke på en knap. Hvad gør den knap? Den gør, at der kommer en... sådan en. Godt. Så er det, jeg skal gøre, det er at placere en blå der. Nu skal vi sørge for at hoppe over.
I'll give you credit. I guess you are listening to me. But for the record, you don't have to go that slow.
She is so not nice. Ja, men hvem var det, der ikke havde en elevator klar? Det var dig, Glados. Down we go, wow. Det er nice. Denise. Det er nice. Det er nice. Wow. Wow. Chill, bro. Chill.
This next test involves the
Whoa.
Aperture Science aerial faceplate. It was part of an initiative to investigate how well test subjects could solve problems when they
Okay,
were
I'm just
critical.
gonna...
Results were highly informative, but
Boink.
could not. Good luck.
That worked. Just fine. So, boink. And boink. Så skal jeg gribe den midt i luften. Okay. Boink. Boink. Og så flyver vi bare tilbage med den. Boink. Og så kan vi bare placere den der.
Here's an interesting fact.
Kan vi
We're
få
not
flere af dem i gang?
breathing real air. It's too expensive to pump this far down.
No, så dræber det bare den anden.
Carbon dioxide.
You bastard. I'm gonna throw your camera into the water.
Pump it
Wah!
back in. So you'll be in the same room full of
Bastard.
for the rest of your life.
Boink.
I thought
Boink.
that was interesting.
Got it. Boink. Boink. Og den her gang dummer vi os ikke. Vi rykker bare videre. Hup. Stairs of suckers. And down we go. Det er så sjovt, det her spil. Det er så sjovt. Det er så sjovt. Det er så sjovt, det her spil. Ej, altså. Måske skulle jeg have spillet etteren først, men jeg havde lyst til at spille toeren. Lyst til at se Wheatley igen.
Oh, advanced aerial faceplates. Well, have fun soaring through the air without a care in the world. I have to go to the wing that was made entirely of glass and pick
But
up
GLaDOS,
15
we can
acres
go
of
flying
broken
together
glass
if we want
by
to.
myself.
Okay, så hvad kommer der til at ske, når jeg... Okay, vi træder bare på den. Woo! Jeg rører ikke ved noget. Jeg kigger den her vej. Woo! Okay, vi rammer den der nu. Og så flyver vi videre. Nej. Vi skal... Wow! Det lykkedes. Det lykkedes. Og landing. Wow. Jeg faldt ned. Fordi jeg ikke tænkte mig om. Nederen. Kan vi komme hele vejen tilbage den vej? Nej, det kan vi ikke. Men vi kan komme hele vejen tilbage den vej. Okay. Nu forstår jeg, hvad jeg skal. Jeg skal ramme de der lynhurtigt. Men du må indrømme, det var ret imponerende, at jeg nåede at ramme dem ret hurtigt. Kom nu, den orange! Ja, fik den. Nu skal jeg bare over. Så sker der noget, når jeg trykker på knappen her. Hvad kommer der mon til at ske? Så falder der en eller anden kasse ned.
Oh, sorry. I'm still cleaning out the test chambers. So sometimes there's still trash in them.
Wow.
Standing around, smelling and being useless.
Wow, bolde.
Try to avoid the garbage hurtling towards you.
Okay.
You
Got
don't
it.
have to test with the garbage. It's garbage. Press the button again.
Oh no, I lost it. Okay, vi prøver igen. No, don't roll away, ball. Don't roll away. I don't believe that you're useless, ball. You and I, we can survive, ball. We can do this. You're like Wheatley. I like you, and I lost one already. I don't want to lose another. And there's a boring companion cube. Det er ikke engang en companion cube. Det er bare en cube. Okay. Vi skal have jer dernede på en eller anden måde. Vi bruger den der. No! Jeg mistede min bold! Nej! Hey, der er en radio. Skal jeg ned og tjekke, om den laver lyd? Det kan jeg lige så godt. Wee! Det er den fra etteren. Jeg ved, om den begynder at lave radiostøj, hvis vi går et sted hen med den. Det skulle man næsten tro, den gør. Ved du hvad? Vi bringer den lige derover. Og så ser vi, om den ændrer lyd. Jeg kan bare huske i etteren, der var der sådan en achievement, man kunne få ved at få fat i alle radioerne. Og bringe dem hen til nogle mærkelige steder. Og så ville de begynde at lave mærkelige lyde. Nå. Det duede ikke. Kan vi se den herfra? Sådan der. Vil jeg til at hoppe tilbage med den? Jeg bør lige tjekke på nettet til næste gang, om der er nogle special achievements med det. En orange, sådan der. Så kan vi bare hoppe afsted nu og få den med os. Lalalala. Yay! Okay. Jeg havde faktisk ikke behøvet at gå med den der. Jeg vidste sådan set godt. Hey. Så kan man bare gå ud af her. Boing! Man, I'm good at this.
Remember before when I was talking about smelly garbage standing around being useless? That was a metaphor. I was actually talking about you.
I hate you,
And I'm
Gladys.
sorry. You
I
didn't
don't hate you. Jeg
react
synes faktisk, hun er en
so
fantastisk
I
character.
was worried it sailed right over your head, which would have made this apology seem insane. That's why I had to call you garbage a second time just now.
But it was garbage! You were firing garbage from the garbage thing at me, I think. And then you... Oh. You're so mean to me. Why are you so mean to me? I don't get it. What are you hoping to achieve by doing this?
Did you know that people with guilty consciences are more easily startled by loud noises?
Ah! No, I didn't.
I'm sorry. I don't know why that went off.
Huh.
Anyway, just an interesting science fact.
Companion Cube! I love you.
So
No!
that before you could complete the test. I'm sorry. Go ahead and grab another one.
Where? Oh! Jeg tror lige, hun ville til at smadre den også.
Oh, no. I fizzled that one too.
You evil!
We have warehouses.
I got you, baby.
full of things. Absolutely worthless. I'm happy to get rid of them.
Oh, Wheatley! No! Oh. Wheatley. I miss you so much, boy. Okay, here we go. Doing great. Oh, this is one of the bigger chest chambers. Okay, propeller power. That's what we need here. I guess. Yeah, we need to fly up there. And what better way to do that than this? And hopefully hit the right part. Here we go! Okay, I gotta go the other place. I got this. I can do this. Gotta go. And that's it. Okay, standing on this thing makes that happen. Okay, I need that thing. I need you to fall down. Okay. So that I have that. Okay, I get it now. Okay, it all makes sense. It all makes sense. Go! We got it. Okay, now I gotta make it all the way from there. And I can do it by just jumping down to that one. Yeah, okay, I got this. Oh! Yes, I did it. But what about the companion cube? You sadists! I need... Goodbye! I gotta move on.
The test chamber is equipped with an emancipation grill at its exit, so that test subjects cannot smuggle test objects out of the test area. This one is broken. Don't take anything with you.
Wow, det er muligt at få den med. Det er muligt. It is possible! I'm going to do it! I did it! Haha, Gladys! In your face, girl! I brought the companion cube with me. No!
I think that one was about to say, I love you. They are sentient, of course. We just have a lot of them.
No! How dare you, Gladys! How dare you, you monster! I was bringing her with me. I was bringing the companion cube with me, and then you just did that. How am I gonna tell everyone? You're such a bastard. From now on, I'm just gonna go la 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 la. Sorry, what'd you say? Who's the winner now? Huh? Ned med din freaking portal. Oh, bastard. Oh, whoa, hvorfor blev det mørkt?
Oh no. The turbines again. I have to go. Wait, this next test does require some explanation. Let me give you the fast version. There. If you have any questions, just remember what I said in slow motion.
Girl, you and I can't keep working together if you keep bitching like this. Er det en verden udenfor det der? A world outside. Okay, jeg må ikke tage ting med igennem her, men jeg kan få laser til at skyde igennem der, tror jeg. Så Sådan der. Okay, så den får mine portals til at ophøre, når jeg går igennem her. I get it, I get it. She's being a bitch. And a little to the right. Så er der en knap, vi kan trykke på her. Hvad gør den? Oh, nice, nice, nice. Den skal jeg jo bruge. Og så er der et hul, vi kan bruge her. Så vi ikke behøver at gå igennem den der. Nice, nice, nice. I'm thinking with portals now, Ben. I'm thinking with portals. Og så alt jeg skal gøre, det er at få den her til at pege i den rigtige retning. Au, 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 brænde sig. Oh, got it. Solved it. Gladys. Håber du er færdig med din incinerator brændselsting noget, fordi jeg er færdig med dig. Muhaha. Down we go. Jeg elsker den måde. Ikke elsker. Jeg kan helt vildt godt lide den måde, som spillet udvikler sin historie på senere. It's so amazing. It's super good. It's great. Hjemkomsten. Kapitel 3. Need some help, bro? Kan man hoppe ind imellem? No, you can't. Okay. And whoa! What am I supposed to do now? What about this? Whoa! Hey, Wheatley!
Well, I'm back. The aerial faithlight in here is sending a distress.
Wheatley!
You like it, didn't you? There.
Come on!
Try it now.
Come on! Go!
What happened, right? I was just lying there.
Yeah, okay, what?
This plate must not be calibrated to someone of your generousness. I'll add a few zeros to the maximum.
Shut up.
You look great, by the way. Very healthy. Try it now.
Bird, right? Couldn't believe it either.
You seem to have defeated
Wheatley!
its load-bearing
The
capacity.
bird!
Well done.
Tell me about the bird!
Just learn.
I need to know about the bird, Wheatley! Come on! Come on! I need to talk to Wheatley! I need to talk to Wheatley. Oh, you lowered that. No, I can't talk to Wheatley. Ow! My head! Ow! Ow! Whoa! Ow! 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 Why you do that? Ow! You're so mean to me, Gladys. I mean, I just broke you, but you're alive again. I mean, you should be happy. You should have a new perspective on life and stuff. Okay, I need to get up there to get a cube thingy. The only way to do that is by propelling. And the only way to do that is through using that again. Ah, of course, that makes sense. So now I just do this. Oh! And I'm in. Totally planned that. I need to hit a button. And there's a button over there. Awesome. So now I just hit that, and I hit that, and propel. And then I press the button. Ah, I was doing this the wrong order. Ah, cool, cool. So now I'm going through there, and I have to use this one here, and I have to use the jumping here. Whee! Oh, ow! Come on! Yeah, got it. Got this thing here. Moving it downwards there. Super secured. And I have to shoot it through this wall, right? Yeah, I have to shoot through this wall. And I can do that by just placing this and this. Yes! Thinking with portals, that's what I do. Thinking with portals, thinking with portals, thinking with portals. Okay, now, the second problem. I need to get up there. And I can only do that by making a big jump. Oh, okay, I get it now. I'm doing everything in the wrong order. Okay, I get it. But how do I get up there? I think I'm supposed to... Yeah, I'm using that now. And then I use this, and then I can... Oh, it makes sense! Benjamin, I'm brilliant! I'm thinking with portals! Boink! Ooh! Oh, stop that! Ow!
Look at you, sailing through the air majestically, like an eagle, piloting a blimp.
And... success! Booyah! Jeg har 10 minutter tilbage. Du var nok ikke lige klar, hva'? But I was. Down we go. Whee! Capture laboratories. Do what we must, because we can. With all of
Enjoy
those...
this next
Oh,
test. I'm going to go to the surface. It's a beautiful day out. Yesterday I saw a deer. If you solve this next
Wheatley
test,
saw a bird!
maybe I'll let you ride an elevator all the way up to the break room. And I'll tell you about the time I saw a deer again.
There's a... Okay, I gotta get over there. Okay, I can go through here. Go through there. Okay. Alright. Okay, got it. Got it. Okay, now I just need to get through. And I'm going. Yeah, I got this one. Can I just fire this? Oh, okay, I could do that. Yeah, that happened. Let's go. Okay. So what do I need here? What do I need here? I need somehow... Okay. This one is going. That's cool. I don't need that. I need to get up there. I need to get up here. Okay. I think I'm getting this. I can't go there. Tricky white part. Okay, I can hit something there. I can't hit that thing there. What am I supposed to do? For the first time, honestly, I'm a little bit lost. But I believe I can solve this. I have to solve this. Ah, I get it now. You're supposed to block it. And then that thing goes down. Okay, that's amazing, but why? Why is that so amazing? Why is that so dang amazing? I don't get it. Ah, I can't. Then I need to use that thing probably to get up there, but how do I do that? I'm blocking that thing now. Okay, let's try just hitting that thing. Yeah, let's hit that thing. And then that probably makes us go, whoa! And whoa! And ouch! Okay, cool. I get this. Fine. Okay. Fine. Can I get around? Okay. Okay, there's a laser thing there. Okay, if I press this button. Whoa, that didn't seem right, but it worked. Okay, it fired. Ah, now I got this one. And now I need this to... Oh, and now I need this down here to propel laser through there, so I can... Okay, I get this! I'm getting this! I'm getting the hang of this one! And then, okay, and then I need, yeah, that piece over there. And I need to take the companion cube, bring it... Okay, this one has many layers to it. This puzzle is pretty darn cool. And then I do this, and then... Okay. And I should be able to make my jumps now. Yeah. Okay, companion cube, you go first. You're not the companion cube, you're just a cube. Go! Yeah. Oh no, you... Oh! Oh, that's pretty cool. On we go! Oh! And a third hit! Oh! Dong! And I was smart and brought the cube.
Well, you passed the test. I didn't see the deer today. I did see some humans. But with you here, I've got more test subjects than I'll ever need.
Okay. That's pretty cool for you, girl. 6 minutes. It took me about 4 minutes to solve that puzzle. You gotta up your game, Gladys. You gotta up your game. I'm thinking with portals, you know. Boom! Jeg har lidt en oplevelse af, at jeg er super irriterende. Sådan der. Hvis jeg skulle have et våben til at hænge på min... Og det er jo ikke engang et rigtigt våben, men hvis jeg skulle have sådan en gun-agtig ting til at hænge på min væg, så skulle det være en portal gun. Portal guns are cool. Wow. That sounds environmentally correct.
It would be like standing outside with the sun shining on.
Gotta throw this away.
It would also set your hair
Yeah.
on fire, so don't actually do it.
Down you go. Gone with... Nej to Big Brother. Det er det, vi har gang i. Okay. Så... Broer. Det er det, de har gang i. That's the concept here. Og nu skal jeg sørge for, at når jeg bruger... så den falder ned dernede. Okay. Så det er en måde at redde den på. No, that wouldn't work. Okay, fordi når jeg trykker på den der, så falder der en ned her. Og den kan jeg ikke umiddelbart redde, medmindre jeg kan bruge lys. Lyset kan ikke komme igennem vinduer. Der er noget dernede. So probably I have to go down. Like that. Okay, I'm getting this, I'm getting this. I'm getting the hang of this one. Ja. Okay, lad os prøve. Og så klikker man bare ikke på det forkerte tidspunkt nu. Skal om bagved der på en eller anden måde. You're already presenting me with some pretty darn difficult puzzles. Okay, jeg skal igennem der. Ah, det gør jeg den vej fra. Okay. Nu ser jeg, hvad jeg skal. Yep. Got it. Skal den her vej for at kunne redde den. Og lad det være den orange. Sådan der. Okay, nu bliver de der ved med at falde ned. I got it. Sådan der. Og så går man bare tilbage gennem portalen, og så er alt godt. Sådan cirka der. Oh. Nå, den skal helt derover. Hvordan får vi den? Ah, nu ser jeg, hvordan vi får den derover. Så skyder vi der. Der, sådan der. Keep going. Oh no. Okay, cool. Så hopper vi bare ned og tilbage igen. Og så går vi bare henover her. Problem solved. Yeah.
You're a predator, and these tests are your prey.
Thank you.
Speaking of which, I was researching sharks for an upcoming test.
Cool.
Do you know who else murders people who are only trying to help them?
No?
Did you guess sharks? Because that's wrong. The correct answer is nobody. Nobody but you is that pointlessly cruel.
Why are you so mean to me, Gladys? I know I killed you, but you tried to kill me first. I don't get it. You tried to incinerate me. And you lied about the cake. There was no cake.
Good news. I figured out what to do with all the money I saved recycling your one room full of air. When you die, I'm going to laminate your skeleton and pose you in the lobby. That way future generations can learn from you how not to have your unfortunate bone structure.
Well, der er stort set gået en time nu, og det her det er lige inden der er endnu et testkammer, så jeg vælger simpelthen bare at stoppe her. It's been fun. I hope we re-encounter Wheatley soon, because he makes the game so much better. All in all, ciao. Jambo. Fortsat god Jambo.